right, let's go ahead. Rode the clutch a little bit right there. Let's go ahead and do a little POV drive. Now, I was actually gonna try to record this video in 4K, but the GoPro Hero 8 only has the ability to record in the super wide function at the 4K 60 FPS or the 4K 30 FPS function, which for a driving video would actually look really bad. It would actually look worse than the 1080p 60, so we're not gonna go ahead and do that. We'll just do the 1080p 60 and go from there. I'm actually gonna go ahead and take a different route than I normally do take. This route's gonna be a little bit better. You're gonna hear a little bit more of audio because everything's gonna kind of bounce off of walls. So you should be able to get a better raw feel of what this car does sound like. We're taking a little bit of a different route. Bounce off all the walls and stuff. So you guys should be able to get more raw audio. So hope you guys enjoy. Gotta get around these cars. I do apologize for the dirty windshield too. Yeah, you're gonna hear some nice audio bouncing off these walls. I know I'm being a menace to society right now. It sucks I'm like not the only one on this road, but it is what it is. Spinning the whole way down too. Not gonna go too crazy because it is still kind of warm out here. I'm like holding on tight trying to feather this throttle because I do not need this car to spin. Oh man. It sucks that there was like a lot of cars back there. Makes a lot more noise. throttle. My downshift there, but it's all good. Alright, so my GoPro like actually like overheated and like stopped at some point, so I have no idea where it stopped at, but we're just gonna go ahead and just keep the vlog going. Why not? Nice little cruise. It's hot as hell. Like I think it literally stopped when I rolled my windows up. I think it just got overheated and just said, I'm done. Jesus, y'all, look at those mansions over there, like, god damn. People looking at my car like, what the fuck's wrong with this guy's shit? Jesus, y'all, look at that. Hey, mansions. Everybody's looking at my car like they've never seen like a Mustang before, but look at those homes over there. God damn. We'll get there soon enough, soon enough. Actually, to be fair, I don't even know if I want a house that big, to be honest with you. Like, give me like a regular house I could live low key or some shit, even though that technically is kind of like living low key, but god damn, them homes are nice. Looking at my car like they've never seen like a modified car before. Like, dude, we live in. you guys could have picked that up, but that RT was literally on the ground. It looked good though, I'm not gonna lie. A little too low for me though. I can't be doing like super low cars, and that's coming from like a damn near static FRS owner too. That's about as low. Even shit, that car is even too low. I'm about to raise that car back up, but the noise. I had to do it. Dangerously low. Hope you guys enjoyed the POV drive. Just want to take the car out again. Just gonna enjoy the nice weather while I can, man. Literally, because it's been beautiful out here. Let me know down in the comment section if there's one thing you guys would do to the car. Let me know. Appearance mods, performance mods, even though I kind of have those all wrapped up, just waiting on stuff, but kind of curious what you guys think. I don't know, I think appearance wise, I think I got it how I want it. Obviously, gotta get the front runners, but I think that's gonna be it. Definitely don't want to lower it anymore, at least not right now. I think it sits exactly how I want it right now. Yeah, definitely does. And no, this is not rubbing. This is literally just a tire cracking because of the heat. But it is not rubbing. which isn't good though, because that tire, I just replaced that tire and it cracked because of the heat, but it's no real damage, so I think we good. Yeah, man, let me know what y'all think. Make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn those post notifications. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.